2016 audio CD about being depressed but being blessed. You may feel inside that things have fallen apart. Maybe your life is not exactly where you were hoping it to be. You may have been struggling in a lot of different ways. Maybe you are having financial issues. Maybe your career is not at the level you're hoping. Maybe your connections with other people are not as positive and as strong as you want. But there is something valuable that you must remember. You are loved, supported, special, valuable, unique, and a piece of our world. You are a blessing to those that are in your life. You may have been through the most difficult and dark situations, but you are a gift to our world. You are a beautiful, wonderful, dynamic, and unique human being. Being depressed but blessed is what I am calling when you are going through a hard time, but you remember that God does love you and that you are perfect as you are. Your life is not negative or toxic. Your life is positive and hopeful. You may be in a depressed place in your mind right now, but that's not where you're going to be forever. You are going to learn how to be more positive. You are going to find a way to make change. You are going to grow. You're going to get stronger. You're going to be happier. You're going to be healthier. And you're going to remember that God loves you and that you are a special piece of our world. And we need you. We need your gifts, your talents, your ideas, your dreams, your goals. And you are part of us because we are all one. I want to thank you for watching this brief audio clip. I share here on YouTube hundreds of videos to inspire and teach. I've worked for many years as a therapist and coach and author of wonderful books teaching about mental health. This year, 2016, for some may be hard and difficult. You may be going through more challenges than you ever imagined possible, but you are special, you are important, you are valuable, and we need you to keep pressing forward. I want to share my new book, The Depression Diet, will be released this year. It's coming out from a major publisher in September. You can go on Amazon and type in Blake Levine, and you will find many of the books that I've written. And let's come together as a community and a world to help those that are struggling. If you're having a hard time, go be nice to someone else. Do what you can to share with others. I apologize in the background. My son is a little bit crying, so I'm going to go help him. But you have a wonderful, blessed day. Please know you are important and valuable.